Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the Disney Solitaire notifications not showing on your phone. First, go to your settings app and then search for notifications. Then check if you have enabled the notification option for the Disney Solitaire app. If not, make sure to turn it on. Then open the Disney Solitaire app and then open the settings in the app. Then make sure you have turned on the notifications for Disney Solitaire app in the settings. Then make sure do not disturb mode is turned off on your phone. And then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Disney Solitaire, swipe it away, closing it completely, restart your phone and reopen the app. Then head over to your App Store or Play Store and install the latest version from the App Store or Play Store. If notifications still do not work, uninstall and reinstall the Disney Solitaire. That's how to fix the Disney Solitaire notification not showing. Subscribe for more simple games and fix guides.